This is the orange list. Number 1, many. Many children forgot their iPads today. Number 2 is July. We will celebrate the 4th of July by going to the parade. Number 3 is 50. There are 50 white stars on the American flag. Number 4 is honey. I like to drizzle honey on biscuits. Number 5 is every. Everyone should do their homework every night. Number 6 is very. Because it is very cold, you should wear a hat and gloves. Number 7 is try. When something seems tough, you should still give it your best try. Number 8 is empty. Mr. Felix will empty our pencil sharpener after school. Number 9 is turkey. Grandma is serving turkey at Thanksgiving. Number 10 is hungry. I start to get hungry at 11, but we don't eat lunch for another hour. Number 11 is ready. When everyone's ready, we'll head to art. Number 12 is cookie. If you feed a mouse a cookie, he'll want some milk to go with that cookie. Number 13 is jockey. The jockey rode on the horse, and it was so fast that he won the race. Number 14 is body. My body hurts after doing all those exercises in Mr. Williams' class. Number 15 is plenty. You should get plenty of sleep on the night before a test. Number 16 is hockey. The Chicago Blackhawks play hockey. Number 17 is movie. I'm going to buy some popcorn to eat while I watch the movie. Number 18 is money. Some people are able to earn money for doing chores. Number 19 is angry. I was angry when I forgot my lunch at home. Number 20 is rely. I rely on my timer to remind me when it's time to go home. Number 21 is ugly. There was an ugly bug crawling across the blanket during our picnic. Number 20 is goalie. The goalie stopped the puck, and his team was so happy. Number 23 is 20. We have 20 plus 1 kids in this class. That makes 21. 20 is your word. Number 24 is chimney. There was smoke coming out of the chimney as the furnace heated the house.